Small block Chevy owners, we'll show you how to get ahead with Aeroflow performance. Alright guys, so it's long been known that changing to an aluminium cylinder head may have a performance benefit directly for the engine itself, but aside from that, you also know that an alloy cylinder head is a lot lighter than a cast cylinder head. So it's kind of a no-brainer when you're looking at doing a rebuild. Why not put an affordable, high-quality set of cylinder heads on your small block? It's going to make the front end of your car lighter, which lighter is faster. And also, the way that we've designed these cylinder heads, you've got better flow. And we have a range of options to suit what it is, whether it's a mild street cruiser or something that's a bit more of a street strip, aggressive, larger bore, larger stroke sort of combination. Let's go through all the variations and I'll show you what we've got on offer. So, small block cylinder heads. They've been around forever, of course, as we know. There's plenty of options out there. So why did Aeroflow get into it? Well, we figured the last few years we've seen supply has been quite difficult from some of the big box brands. So we figured why not get our own stock, carry it here in Australia, make sure that they're ready to go, and then have the sizes and the specs that most people would want in your 90% applications. So if you're building something that's going to go in a real hypo sub 7 second race car or something like that that's going to make 2,000 horsepower, these cylinder heads aren't for you. It's pretty simple. They will support great horsepower, but they're not mega dollars. They're not $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 for a pair of cylinder heads. These are affordable, good quality street and strip packages. So we start off with, say, something like the 186 runner head. So this example that you can see here is the as cast runner. So they've got a nice high quality runner that's in there. It's as cast, so it's not cleaned up. It's just a nice good quality runner. It comes with your valves, your springs, your retainers, your locks ready to go. Of course the seats are already in the heads. The bare ones come the same. So we've got this package, which is just, if you've got a 350 small block and you're just making something nice little cruiser, might have a little baby cam in it or something like that, you can slap these straight on. Obviously speak to your either cam manufacturer or your engine builder to make sure that the valve springs suit your application. But 7/16 rocker stud that comes along with them. You've got the guide plates as well for your push rods, so you can just whack your rockers on top, bolt them onto your engine, and you're basically ready to go. So great affordable option that'll go straight on. Got something that's a little bit bigger, maybe a 383, or you're going to put a bigger high lift cam in with a bit more duration, you need a bigger runner. You've got this 204cc runner. This one again is an as cast complete option. These are also available bare as well. So every option that we have in the cylinder heads is available bare or complete with valves. So you can buy the bare cylinder head, like this for example, this little CNC one, doesn't have any valves or anything in it, and then you can choose, or your engine builder can choose the components that they want to put in there. We have the components available separately, but if you just want something to get back on the road, slap them on your engine, we've got the complete options there. So that's a 204 runner. All of these cylinder heads are made using super smooth and a high quality A356 T6 cast aluminium. So they're a very high quality. The quality of the heads, the thickness of the deck, the hardness of the material will stand up to basically anything that is equivalent in the market. So we've got no complaints. We've got plenty of engine shops around the country utilising these cylinder heads in their regular driver sort of series engines. We've had no complaints whatsoever. If we go up to, say, something a bit larger, we've got the two larger options here with the bigger runners. As you can see, one is CNC'd, and the other one is as cast when it comes to the combustion chamber and the runners, both the intake and the exhaust. This is a 212cc runner, this is a 213. Obviously a small variation, but that just basically comes with the CNC of that. Now, why would you go CNC over as cast? Some will argue that the flow is better Others will argue that they just like the way that they look before they put them on the engine, and it's a shame that you won't see it ever again. So whatever the choice is, that's completely up to you. Again, both available as cast, CNC'd, bare, or complete. So that's a brief run over of what the applications are that we have. The flow rates for each of these, an indicative flow rate, they're available on the website or in the catalogue, so you can see those before you choose which cylinder head's correct with you. And please, I have to reiterate, discuss it with your engine builder, or if you're building it yourself, do some research, maybe have a chat to the cam guy, whatever it is, because you want to make sure this is such a crucial part of your engine. It's a crucial component, so you want to make sure that you're getting the right components to match your complete setup. It's not just about whatever cylinder head, slap it on, off you go. I mean, sometimes you can get away with that, but you know, we don't want people to go, oh, I bought the 213cc heads for my 305 Chevy and now it's got no torque down low because your intake runner's way too big. So just do a little bit of research, speak to your engine builder, choose which is appropriate, and I'm sure you'll have a great result at the end of it. Thanks for tuning in to learn all about our Small Blocks Chevy cylinder heads. You can check them out at your local distributor, quality retail outlet, or online at aeroflowperformance.com.